In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair the Zebronics ZebBello portable Bluetooth speaker to a smartphone. The steps are actually pretty simple. First of all, you have to make sure that this device is charged. In our case, they are. Step number 2, you have to turn this device on. You see this on off switch over here. I'm going to turn it on. The moment I switch it on, this device will enter pairing mode.
Zebronics for life.
Bluetooth mode.
You heard that. Now this device has entered Bluetooth mode. Now what I'm going to do is I will go to the Bluetooth settings page on my smartphone. See, my Bluetooth is switched off right now. Just give me a minute. Yeah, there you go. It's switched off right now. I'm going to turn it on and start looking for a new device. There you see, I just got a ZebBello option. I'm going to click on that and then click on pair.
ZebBello is now connected.
You heard that. The device is now paired with the smartphone. I'm going to play some music and demonstrate the sound, the audio quality. Let's quickly do that. You heard that. That's great audio. And that's it. That's how you pair the Zebronics ZebBello portable Bluetooth speaker to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.